Hey there everybody, welcome back to the channel. So if you have a Samsung Z Fold series of device and you forgot your pattern, your fingerprint is not working, and also your Face ID is not working at the same time. At this point, you can feel terrible and maybe you won't be able to use your device properly because you cannot unlock it. But hey, relax, okay? You can fix this problem if you follow the following process, which we're about to tell you in this video. But before I go ahead and tell you the process, one thing you have to keep in mind after doing this process, your every single information, all this content and data will be wiped out from your device, okay? So be sure of that, and if you're agree, now go ahead and follow the process that we're about to tell you now, okay? Now, to do this process, guys, the first work you need to do, just go ahead and just turn off your device completely. Just go ahead and press that volume down button and the power button simultaneously. Now let's go ahead and press them together. Now keep holding those buttons unless your phone is get turned off. Now quickly press that power button and that volume up button right after you see your phone gets turned off. And keep them holding unless you see that boot menu or the boot option come on onto your device. Alright guys, so once you're on the Android recovery mode options, now you have to navigate them by using your volume up button, down button, and the power button, because your touchscreen will not be working from here. All you have to do, go ahead and just use your volume down button just to come down here. Now go ahead and move to your wipe data and factory reset. Now once you're here guys, go ahead and press your power button just like that, and then you're going to see this option. Now go ahead and just press that volume down button one more times and select factory data reset options. Alright guys, also keep that in mind, like we said earlier, that will delete all of your data, okay? So be sure of that. Now afterwards, simply go ahead and press your power button just like that, and then you will be able to see this. The comment will be taken from here, and lastly, you will be able to see this data wipe complete, okay? Now afterward, just simply go ahead and come up to your screen and here choose a reboot your system now. Now go ahead and press that your power button once and your phone will start rebooting right afterward. Now go ahead and wait. Alright guys, after you have done this process, you will have to start setting up your device once again. So we have a video about that on how you can do it. If you want, you can check it out. We will give you the video link in the description below. Alright guys, so if you ever forgotten your PIN or pattern, or if your fingerprint or Face ID doesn't work, then you simply can unlock your device just by following this process. I hope this video is useful guys. If you think so, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching this video guys, and we will get back to you all soon.